Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at the Temple Beth David art show, to which I brought, again, too many paintings. Fortunately, the person who had the booth next to me abandoned ship and left me the corner next to where I already put all of my artworks. In any case, I'm going to try and move slow enough so you can see some of these, but most of these you've seen before. There are some new things. Let's go back up the walkway somewhat. The lighting's good. I was happy about that. Some things are hard to see. Probably people didn't see everything. Yes, I brought too many paintings. There's no doubt about it.